What go me G?
Yo, John, no man, hungry.
Why we no go check McDonald's?
Me no want a hamburger.
Then make we go check Rodney. When them hungry, watch everybody.
Welcome, my viewers and subscribers. Guys, before me go into the video, me a beg you and I ask you, please thumbs up the video for me. Like the video, share the video, watch all of the ads them in the video for me. Please and thank you. Help me push the channel, and also when you do that, YouTube end up push the channel farther, push the videos farther, and you also get more pay, more money. So, may I be honest, help out the channel. Anyway, guys, how you do? You know, all right? I hope each and every one of you is in good health and good strength. Guys, mental health crisis is not a joke. It is serious. Domestic violence is not a joke. It is serious. Make we deal with the situation. Good. Make we help people. And if today is your birthday, happy birthday to you. If yesterday was your birthday, happy birthday. And to all of my viewers, my subscribers, happy belated birthday. And remember, me is still on a birthday. Guys, the other day, Sunday, me still want to say happy Mother's Day to each and everybody. But remember, in my world, 365 days is Mother's Day for me in my world. One day is not enough for Mother's Day. Mother's Day is 365 days, 48 hours of the day, of the minute, of the time, of the year is Mother's Day. 365 days is Mother's Day for me. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, you know, I cannot believe when me see happen the other day. The other day, me did that one party the other day. Yes, me did that one party the other day. Me have left the party. Yes, me have left the party. Guess what over party me did there? Me did there Alicia Kim first Mother's Day party. Yes, man, the party did me. The party some tune did I play, and Alicia Kim a go on with herself. Alicia Kim was enjoying herself for the first time from 2018. From 2018, Alicia Kim have the opportunity to enjoy herself to the fullest of the capacity of how she can enjoy herself. She was getting down. She was getting around. She was having a ball. And I feel very nice for her. I feel very wonderful as a man, as a man, as a human being, as a father. I feel very nice. I feel very, I overwhelmed. I was happy. To be honest with you, I was feeling on top of the world for Alicia. And it wasn't me who is having the fun. She was having the fun. But I felt so good to realize that she reached a point in her life where at least she can wake up out her bed and don't see anybody tearing her down on social media. I feel nice for her. I feel nice. Say she a rock the hill and gully ride and she a dance with this and she a dance with this. And the select, hey, me don't know who did that select, you know, but the selector no easy round the corner, you know. Hey, the selector no ramp with the tune, them, you know. The selector was selecting correctly. Alicia Kim was doing her thing. She was enjoying herself. She was dropping it like it's that she was having a wonderful moment. So, guys, after a while, I have to leave the party. When I left the party, I was heading to another party. Yes, I was heading to another Mother's Day party. Guys, I could not believe what happened. My car, something wrong with the vehicle, so me have to pull over. When me check the vehicle, me realize me have to call me mechanic. When me call me mechanic say him can reach there within 15 minutes. Some say, Jesus, 15 minutes? Man, 15 minutes me have to sit down and wait for me. My viewers and subscribers, for the 15 minutes me sit down there. Me I wait for me. And me take out my laptop, turn on the laptop. When me turn on the laptop, you don't know what I say. Me say, the truck boy, the trucker boy, you're the one that shit in truck. I have a lie. So me say, hold on a little bit. This boy I have a life. The same time, Alicia Kim I have a life. So me say, this boy a real sissy, a real funky. So me say, Chuck, let me listen to what them I say over there. Guys, all the chuck shit in a plate, boy, I do is laugh. Because him cannot use Alicia Kim name. He cannot say it. So when him over there do, I laugh. But that wasn't what me really want to talk about. What me really want to talk about is we have a panel. We have a set of people talking. And there were ladies, them are ladies, them are women. And guys, on Mother's Day, I listened these ladies and in the comment section was beating Alicia Kim. They were just beating Alicia Kim. And I said to myself, you are a mother, you are a woman. This is Mother's Day. And instead of you sit down and forget it, leave her alone, at least for a day. You out there bashing Alicia Kim, talking about how she over there out of breath. She over there a dance, she over there I do this, she over there I do that. My question to you, Rumram, is if you come and have a channel and you come to say Happy Mother's Day to your people, that wasn't the reason why you come out with that live. You come with that live because you see Alicia Kim do her live and you know what those people is going to say about her. Now, what I have to say to you and your followers is I'm 54 years old. I have lived 54 years upon this earth. I've been in all kind of relationships, in and out, both good and bad. I've done almost everything that I want to do in my life. The only thing I haven't done is skydiving. And that one, we don't know about it yet. Anything named jumping out of anything, flying up there like bird, we don't know about that. Anything else come, I will try. But there's a lot of things I will not try. But my question to you is, on a Mother's Day, when you see Alicia Kim have fun, you turn on your live, which is your camera. You can turn it on anytime you want. But you bring out your peoples, your dirty mind people, just like you. You're low mind, low class, low everything set of people beating Alicia Kim. They're doing the dirty work because you cannot call her name. You cannot say not much about her, but you're throwing shades. Now, it's Mother's Day. It's Mother's Day. And you and your cronies, you and your classmates is on your channel beating Alicia Kim. Talking about how she out of breath. She this, should that. If the big up crew want to give her $1 million, that's their money. It's none of you guys' money. That's the thing I don't understand. Whatever big up crew or whatever anybody want to give them, that's their money. You and your people have no stop it. Oh, hold on. Your people and your life, they're giving you money. Do you see Alicia Kim making any video or causing any problem about the money that you're getting? No, you don't see that because Alicia Kim don't even, not even pay you any kind of mind at all. My thing is, why you guys worrying about the money that the big up crew is giving to Alicia Kim? There's no way you guys should have any worrying or thinking about the money that Alicia Kim is getting from the big up crew. The big up crew, they're their own man and woman, or they're their own ladies. If you notice, most of them, if not every one of them, the big up crew are women. They're females, they're ladies. That's what ladies do, join together, come together. However, I don't know what kind of ladies you have, woman, you have over your side. You know, let me say this. The reason why you come out and me say, Happy Mother's Day to the mothers them. But remember this. Remember this. You are say Happy Mother's Day to the mothers them. But at the same time, the people them on your channel are beat Alicia Kim and all you do is laugh. You know, say to them, say, well, let's give her her day. Let's give her her day. You could have said that. But you don't say that because you know exactly what you're doing. You come out and you say, Maki has moved down. Yeah, you come out, you say it, you know. You say Maki move on. Because you know exactly what's going on with Maki. Because remember, when you talk to one another on phone. But nobody cares about if Maki move on after are in which part in there. Me see a video that Maki do, that Maki should be doing from before he even come out on social media to chastise Kim. Remember, I said to Maki, instead of you come out here trying to chastise Alicia Kim, you should go make other videos. You will make income. You will be big. He never listen. The video where Maki make. Yeah, the video where Maki make. Let's talk about that. The video where Maki make have more views than my videos. The video we make about the fixing up of the bathroom. The video have more views than my videos, so people is watching what he's doing more than even my videos. There's no problem. I have no problem with that because he have his supporters. Whether if they're bad supporters or they're good supporters, he have his supporters. That's the difference about you guys that you don't realize. There is so much things out there on the YouTube street, on the world we can talk about. Anata, what is it? Anto virus is out there, can talk about. There's a lot of things out there can talk about, have dialogue about. But on a day that Alicia Kim is feeling herself, she's feeling good, she's feeling wonderful, she's feeling excited. Her first Mother's Day, her first Mother's Day, her first Mother's Day. That's the time you feel like to go on a live, to bring up your dirty Krasmites, to help you to beat down Alicia Kim. You know exactly what you were doing. And I tell you the truth, when I see, I really know that he's a funky idiot. When I see that live, I know you're an idiot long time. I know you were a nobody long time. And I see more. You realize all of them jump and gone. Do you realize that the one named Keish, she gone from me start to hit and going at the family business there. You realize she take care of herself and gone. You realize that. And you realize the little disgraceful Jackie. You realize she take time and swim well. Because she don't want nobody to talk about her two daughters. You see that little take care man, take care of her mother man. You see her take a little time and gone. Just leave the lady alone. You in particular is the only one there on there throw shades. Because what you can't make no other video. You is a trucker. You is a trucker. I see a lot, I have a lot of truck people that I subscribe to and watch them videos. You are a trucker. You need to go out there and make videos. This video that I'm talking about you, maybe, unless something come up more, I'm going to say anything towards you. I'm not going to say nothing more towards you unless something like this come up. Because you is a waste matter. You is a waste matter. You and your classmate them. And a day when it's Mother's Day, when you should be endorsing all mothers, you have your classmates on your channel a downgrade, a disrespect Alicia Kim. Because that's the reason why you come on live. Because you come on live just because you know say you classmate them. And look what you do. You bring them up in the box. Because you want them to talk. Because you can't talk. You cannot talk. But you have to remember this. Remember this. The channel is your channel. What you do on your channel is you. Who you care up on your channel is you carrying them on your channel. So don't believe that because they are saying it, you cannot get in trouble. Let me say this to you. You can get yourself in trouble because of who you carry on your channel. Remember, you are the person in charge of your channel. So when you bring up these people, these classmates on your channel to talk about Alicia Kim, to beat down Alicia Kim, is one thing. And I go tell you something. All of you think you're smart because what you're not doing is calling names. You're not saying Alicia Kim name. That's what you're doing because you're throwing shades. But listen, you even say your phone battery are dead and you go cut the live because you go over there go watch what go on. You go over there go watch what go on. My question to you is, why are you going over there to watch what go on when you despise the lady? Because them tell you say she over there wind up, so you want to go over there go wind up. You want to go over there go watch her wind up. You. And that you want to do. You, as soon as them tell you say she over there, I wind up and I do all kind of something. You ready? You want to go over there. The viewers and subscribers, I cannot understand why this man is that way towards Alicia Kim. I don't know. I cannot understand it. I won't get it. I don't know why he's like that towards Alicia Kim. But a full time now, you give it up, brother. Give it up. Give it up, man. A full time now, you give it up. And Mother's Day, when Alicia Kim should be feeling comfortable. Alicia Kim should be feeling that. Well. Hold on. On Mother's Day, Alicia Kim was comfortable. Alicia Kim was feeling glamorous, feeling good, feeling excited, feeling love, feeling good. She and her big up crew. And that's the time you and your Krasmite crew believe that you should go out there and make videos and go on live and talk all kind of things about her. Why are you so worried? Why are you so invested in Alicia Kim? Why are you so invested? That's the question. Just leave it at that. Why are you so invested in whatever Alicia Kim do, whatever Alicia Kim say? Why are you so invested in that situation? Why are you so invested? Father's Day coming up. Yeah, Father's Day coming up. Will you be having a live about Father's Day? And will people be telling you Happy Father's Day? Because you're pissing no bun grass, you know, brother. You're pissing no bun grass. Because you are barren. You can't get, no, you can't, your piss can't. It's either your piss can't bun grass or the woman don't even want to have a kid with you. The way how the woman despise you. But because she's still with you. As a matter of fact, you know what? I'm going to leave it right there, so. I'm going to leave it right there, so. Fire they a must steal him think a cool breeze. Yeah, them say where you left hand know, no make your right hand know. And where your right hand know, no make your left hand know. My viewers and subscribers have a wonderful day. And again, happy Mother's Day. Happy 365 years to all mothers out there. Big up on yourself, enough respect. I'm out. Bye bye.